You want to see a freak show? Welcome to the show! What's up, guys? So I am out in nature. I'm driving to Salt Lake again. I found this beautiful spot near Cedar City and it is fucking gorgeous out here in the mountains. So I thought I'd pull over, take a bathroom break, and shoot a little video of me swallowing in the middle of this forest. Because it's actually really nice out here and relaxing, so I just needed to take a break from driving. So I've got the sword with me. I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. Stay brutal, share the craziness, and enjoy this sword-swallowing shorty. And nature. Nature is fucking beautiful. Like the prawn out here. So fresh and clear. Alright guys, stay brutal. Enjoy the swallow. Stay brutal and subscribe for more insanity. Yow!